Okay, this is TNT Sunrise. I'm from TradingView, and I'm currently the top author. Today I will start from this dollar CAD dollar Canadian trade. Okay, because this is a very good example of how we catch the big move before the market really starts. Okay, you can see here before the just earlier in Asia time. Okay, we can see that the dollar Canadian has already rise from 1.2540. Okay, and what happened yesterday is it actually breaks down. It breaks down here. Okay, it looks like it's making lower low. However, it reversed nicely. Okay, very strong bullish bar actually covered 90% of this bearish candle, and then breaks new high, retested, and continue moves up, makes a higher high. So the important clue is here. Okay, we can identify the trend. You can see this is the previous down, the bearish trend, and now it becomes this. Okay, guys, tell me what is the trend right now? Because I'm playing the replay button. Tell me, did you see the trend changed? Have you seen the trend changed? Reply me. Okay, Ray said I would guess yes. By definition, right? By definition, it is higher high and higher lows, right? This is a very good trend change. Okay, so the important thing is, okay, let me ask you a question. Okay, we always say follow the trend, right? Follow the trend, or we say trend is your friend. But my question is, how will you do it to follow? What will be your action? How to follow? Very simple. How to follow? Right? How to follow? How? Can you give me your idea, your response? By following the trend, just like I just need to buy, right? Because the trend will just continue to go up. I just need to buy. Simple. Is that true? Is it true that when you see a trend, is it true that when you see a trend and you guess it will continue, then you just buy or sell? What is your answer? Okay, some people says need to check on higher time frame. No, wait for confirmation. No, there's no confirmation. A trend is trend. This is definitely uptrend. This is definitely uptrend. There's no you don't need to have any confirmation. It's already confirmed. But my question is, once you confirm the trend, how will you apply to follow? How to follow it? That's the important thing. That's the most difficult thing. Right? Some people say, okay, I will just chase price. I will just buy. Because you see, what this guy will think is, I missed this, I missed here, I missed here. It looks like in the past the trend with whatever price I bought, I should earn money, right? Okay, and he just, okay, let's buy here. Okay, and what happened is, you see, he was trapped. See, this is a lot of a trend follower or novice trader will do. They will buy after the price rally. Okay, that is some problem with almost 90% of these novice trader. They will only buy when the rally already starts or after some time they decide to do. Okay, and then, but what does this chart means to me is I will wait for the 618 pullback plus the structure to find my best trading opportunity and also determine where is my entry, where is my stop loss, and where is my target. Okay, so here, this is my one of my favorite patterns. Okay, you can see here Very, very nice. A channel has broken up, okay? And I believe in this uptrend, okay? I do believe in this uptrend. I say, okay, because this is no more bearish trend, it starts to uptrend. So I will find the opportunity to buy with a pullback to where 0.618 plus the horizontal structure here, okay? Look at it. Look at the structure. Is it very good? Yes, okay? 2 bars, okay, you can see here. Candles were pressed under this structure, right? And after this, boom, breaks out, maintain, okay, continue moves up, right? Beautiful move, all right? So I anticipate that the price may come back to this place and I will be a buyer, okay? Yes, retest of fit and also the structure. So this is a beautiful patterns, the 618 plus structure. Okay, simple as that. Okay, and most important thing is break out this bearish channel. So, okay, you can see here. Okay, and let me just share my MT4. You can see that this is my MT4. Currently, I have an opening trade of this dollar CAD. Right, I placed this order here. No, I bought here just before the news happened. It just moves straight up. Okay, and it has already completed my target because this is already ABCD move. Okay, ABCD move already hit. So what I should do now is I will take half of my profit here. You see, I have one lot, right? And the profit is $447, right? So I just double click this. Okay, and I move this, becomes a market execution, and just keying 0.5 lot, and I close 0.5 lot at the market price. Done. Okay, and what I do is I remove my stop loss, previous stop loss here. Okay, now I will move my stop loss to break even. Okay, and then this trade has become a totally risk-free trade. I can set a very, very high tick profit point, maybe 1.2796, maybe here, because this is a previous head and shoulder. Okay, I set a TP here and just I would just wait for it to strike my TP or strike my broken even stop loss. That's it. Okay, did you catch the trade? See the beautiful move. All right, this is a perfect trade of this 0.618 trade. All right, and let me just show you another one, this 30 yen trade. Okay, this is a trade that I did this morning in the Asia time. Okay, let's come back to sterling yen. Okay, because this is a very, very good time for us to catch some beautiful patterns so that next time you actually benefit. Okay, so in 4-hour chart, yesterday the sterling yen looks like this. Okay, in the higher time frame, we already can see that the sterling yen has been an uptrend channel and has been testing the previous structure at here, this 153.95, this area. Okay, we can actually place this structure. You can see it works very well, right? Okay, so in higher time frame, I will see that, okay, this is a great place of the sterling yen to take a rest. And we already see this is a inside bar breaks down. So this will be the first opportunity that you catch this inside bar breakdown. Okay, so the third candle breaks low, you actually get a profit of maybe 60 pips. And then it forms a double top, right? A double top. Okay, we go to 1 hour chart. Okay, we can see that this is a, here we have a beautiful bat pattern. This is a bat pattern. Okay, it tells that the sterling may goes up. Yeah, it did goes up and have an inside bar breaks up. Okay, the inside bar breaks up. Alan, I have to stop your video because you don't need to. Yeah, you don't need to place your video to everyone. Okay, inside bar breaks up. Okay, and you can see here the bullish move comes, but this one comes in a Asia time. So what I did is I measure the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I wait for the 0.786 to 0.886, and I found that there's a very strong structure here. Do you see that? Because this is an engulfing candle. Guys, reply me by one if you see this is an engulfing candle. Okay, engulfing candle, and then previous candle. This is a breaking. This is a breaking point, right? So wait for the price to pull back here, and I take a short. That's it. Simple. Did you learn that? This is a beautiful engulfing candle, and I know that this is strong resistance place in 4-hour charts, and I wait for a double top, okay, to complete. Okay, here. And today, just give me another time, another chance to short, and boom. So guys, have you learned? Engulfing candle, structure, 618 and 886. Give me some response. This is a very nice lesson, I tell you. See, structure breakdown. Okay, this is a double top, right? 26. We can consider this is a 2618 trade as well. You can even short at 153.384 and stop loss above 153.75. Okay, very important. I use these engulfing candles opening the breaking point short. Okay, so breakdown, you don't chase price, wait for the price to come back to 618 or 76. And then it just, here. Okay. You can see my starting yen. I have a positive profit of $2,000. Okay. And I use the pullback. Right, I use the pullback to I take some more trades because I have a very nice profit as well. Okay, and I do believe that the daily chart, in weekly chart, the sterling yen may put a nicely double top. Okay, nicely double top. Okay, it may goes to 142. So I would decide to take this trade for a longer time to enjoy the profit. Okay. All right, great. Great. So let's come back to charts. Okay, so this is two trades that I take today, and it looks like makes a very nice profit. I should just wait for the market to move, continue lower or higher. Okay, let's go back to gold. Okay, for the gold, actually, if you see my trading view, you can know that I have a very post this 1333 long trade. Okay, and it really gives you a very nice profit to 1364. And if you go to Bitcoin, okay, and I place this Bitcoin triangle, okay, for people who have loan from 6600, basically 6.6k, you actually moves a lot of money, right? You really have a lot of money straight away, $1,400. Okay. So why could I catch these opportunities, guys? Have you thought that why TNT Sunrise, why Jack can catch this trade before the market happens? Is that I know the market, I can predict the market, or I'm a super visual believer, I can do some like praying, or like those kind of a crystal ball. I can know the future. No, I don't have. Okay, seriously, I don't have any crystal ball. If I have, right, I won't be doing this trading, right? I would just go for the lottery, one strike. I know, or I can go to the football, I can go to gambling, right? Seriously, I don't have. Right? Is actually a knowledge of how the professional trader think, and where is low, where is high, and is there any patterns I can use, I can rely on, all right? Okay. Okay, so let's go back to gold. Okay, gold after this strong moves out, and now price comes all the way back and goes to the 618 level. If you measure the 618, okay, I love the 618. It really gives you a lot of insights. Okay, 618 plus plus the structure plus two try rule. Okay, first try didn't break, second try long pin bar. Okay, and then engulfing goes up, and then it comes again as another 618. Okay, the price flies from 1338 to 1353. Okay, what I'm thinking now is you don't want to chase the price because it's already, the gold has already completed this ABCD patterns. Okay, the ABCD patterns are already complete. Okay, and what you should do is you can also measure the fib from the top to the low, and you will see that there's a potential bearish back pattern, okay, for the gold to perform to 1361, and then you short. Okay, what you can do now is you should buy, because the price just now pull back to 1349, this level. Okay, if you use what is structure, you can see this is a 1349 has become a resistance for 2 days and breaks up and pulls back and all the way go up. Okay, so you should hold in the 1349 buying trade. Now you earn 40 pips, and you can actually hold until to 1358 or 1361. Okay, because now the trend is still up, the trend is still bullish. Okay, you can see here a lot of buyers comes in here to get the cheap of goods. Sorry, to get the cheap goods. Okay, to buying those people who sell low. Okay, a lot of people comes in here to buy, and may push the price to second high. Okay, I will wait for the bearish pattern to 1361 to sell. Right now, I will consider to buy because this is a strong bullish candle. It is a bullish candle that breaks the structure. Okay, breaks up, pull back, same thing, pull back, and you can buy and aim for high. Okay. Okay, let's talk to oil. Okay, oil still bullish. Okay, the recent oil move. This is a we can trade. This is as you know, this is a wedge or flag. Okay, and it pulls back to the same here, 65.78. Same thing happened over and over again. Okay, resistance breakout, pulls back, breaks up. So oil will continue to go up. I don't see any bearish point until here, guys. In weekly chart, pay attention to 73.29 to 77.79. This is a weekly we call this supply zone. Okay, and only here the oil will have some kind of resistance. And don't forget, there's a beautiful ABCD patterns here. Okay, so it means that okay, it goes to 70. Okay, so oil may rise to 70, still have some upside potential. So find the pullback in any time frame to buy. Right now, what I can do is wait for 67.73. This area pullback. Oh, it's already pulled back. You can see here, breaks up. Okay, if you go to 30 minutes charts, it breaks up, pulls back, and goes up. Okay, of course, I think the EIA data just released, and that's why the oil goes up. But generally, from the fundamental side and also the technical analysis, I do see oil is still bullish until 70 level. Okay. All right, let's go back to Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar also goes up to 0.78, but in forward chart, I will say that the Aussie may continue rally to here 0.7846. Okay, I will pay attention to here to short Aussie. Okay, because right now Aussie is still in a low location. It may rally to the middle and maybe can go even higher. Okay, for the Kiwi, for the Kiwi dollar, I think my short already triggered. Right now it is seeing a loss, but I won't be afraid because my stop loss is at 0.7350. Or I'll just wait for the price either hit my stop loss or just go down. For GBP, it reversed nicely. Okay, the previous high has a very strong pin bar here. This is a in forward chart. This is a very big, beautiful pin bar, bearish. Okay, breaks down, now pull back, and looks like the buyers has already exhausted. So you can steal to short sterling yen because all the channels has been break. Okay, so sterling yen I'm bearish. Dollar CAD already told you. Okay, dollar CAD are see the ABCD pattern complete. That's why I take some profit, and I will let the rest of my trade run, and also I wait for the dollar CAD to go to at least 1.27 or 1.26 and 27 to these two places. I think the dollar CAD is likely to go to this place. Okay. All right. Go to talk about something about the SPS 500. So in my last webinar, I said SP is good to buy because I see that we saw that this is a bearish failure. Okay, one try, two try, but cannot break a new low, and then breaks up and forms a very nicely 2618 trade. Okay, a 2618 trade is actually a double bottom plus a 618 pullback. So the best buying opportunity comes here at 2596.7. Okay, you can see that this is a very nice place to buy this 618 pullback, and price just rallied a lot. Okay. Okay, and right now the SPS has already reached my target, so it's good to take all your profit long or 90% of your buying trades, take profit here because this is a very strong structure. I doubt that the SP may pull back to 2680. If the price pull back to here, we can buy it again. Okay, we can buy it again. So take some profit, wait for the pullback to buy it again. The trend is up. Okay, the trend is up, and typically when the SPX breaks this channel, this downtrend line will have more upside room. Okay. Lastly, we talk about the BTC. Okay, the Bitcoin has completed this beautiful bat pattern, right? Which I published in TradingView. Okay, and then followed by a triangle. Okay, why my triangle works? Because I know that it's a play set of bullish bat pattern. Right? You can see a lot of people, like they put a lot of wave analysis. They said, okay, this is triangle, goes down to where, and where, right? Okay, it really, you can see these charts. I don't know who this guy is, but looks like he's also very professional in wave counting. Okay, right? His target. He said this is a bearish triangle. It will break down to this point. Maybe 4,700. I don't know why he put this, but I think he has been following his rules. But the important thing is my triangle is actually with my bullish bad pattern. I know this pattern, this bad is going to work. So that's why I know that I will take a buy from this break and pullback. All right. So very simple trades, but really very, very nice profit. Okay. All right. So I think the Bitcoin will still moves up because this has become a rally base. Okay. This will be follow this kind of a trend continuation trade. Maybe Bitcoin may go back to 10K soon. Okay, it may go back to 10K. Right now it's consolidation, but you can see the bias has already goes in. Okay, and when it breaks new high, we just continue to move up. Dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen actually looks like a bit tricky because it looks like still in uptrend channel. Okay, but I want you guys to know that this part has some resistance. Okay, 107.70. Okay, that's why it actually goes up and bearish engulfing. So right now it has two kind of a possibility. One is if it breaks this parallel channel, it will just continue down. Second one is may goes up from here to retest this 107.70 and goes back. All right, I'm not so bullish of dollar yen because I won't say it is a good time to buy because typically I will wait for the 618 just like dollar CAD. I will wait for the price to come back to 105.84. We will wait for it to come here. So be prepared, dollar yen may moves down to 105.84. Okay. All right. Good. So I think that's all for today. Yep. I think I will still make another webinar next week. And just follow my trading view. And if you want to know more about my strategies, you can go to my website to harmonicasia.com and you can go to the Pro Trader course. You can know that what are the contents of my trading strategy is. And I can tell you guys it's almost above 10,000 people has already learned this course, and most of them has been benefiting from what I teach. Okay, yeah. It's important to give you these 6 very, very good skills. Okay, understand the market, buy to sell high, identify patterns, okay, predetermine correct stop loss and profit level, and your trade and trade your plan. All right, that's all for today. Okay, thanks again and for coming. And this is a weekly basis free webinar given by TNT Sunrise, and I will see you soon. No problems. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. By the way, I will publish my videos in trading in YouTube, and you can just go to ProJack you can go to my channel. You can go to my channel to watch. I will upload the recordings soon. All right, good. Goodbye.